Other ones are, this isn't anything special. It's too tight too. Here's one I gave to all my friends one year. All my family members and my friends. But it covers the nose, you can't breathe. But unless it gets very, very cold, it works pretty well. Just to keep the chill out in just general cold weather. Here's a fancier model, which has a zipper, which is pretty cool. I like this one. And then, adjustable in terms of warmth with the zipper. Okay, other things. This is a New Balance runner's mask. This is another one of my favorites. It's a triple thickness mask. You can get something like this similar at the Army Navy store. These are all under like $10. They're kind of cheap. And if I wear this in conjunction with the other one that covers the nose good, this is a good combination. So think in terms of, in the very cold weather, to cover the whole face. Now, this is kind of a neat thing. It's a hood. And you put the hood on, and it's pretty good at, it's got a drawstring, it's pretty good at covering all this area in here. So if you've got a face mask that covers the nose, you're all set. Let me show you that. I'm going to get my best nose cover. And I wore this yesterday or this week with wind chills of about 30 below. And I'm still cold, on the face. Air sneaks in. But it was better than if I didn't have it at all. I should just get a mirror. Okay. Now, this one, over this one, I'll show you how it looks. And the problem is sometimes your glasses fog up and you got to deal with that. But you see, you got your nose breathing here. You see how covered I am? That's a good combination. Forget about how they look. When it's cold, you probably don't care much. Now, I like that combination. Okay, let me show you some other examples. Here's a homemade mask. I made this screwing around one day with a hat. You can make one out of a hat. Here, I'll show you. How do you like this? And see, I made it so the nose is covered. And you can breathe through. And actually, it's not bad. So you can actually make one out of a knit cap you can buy for about $5 at a like a Walgreens store. And they're not bad. It's not bad at all. You can breathe through it and it covers. In fact, maybe I should try wearing this. Because I was able to make the holes the way I wanted them. And I'm not an artistic kind of guy in terms of creating art. Although I did teach fine arts one time. But I'm not artistic in making things. Oh, I like that. Maybe I'll use that. And you just make that out of a stocking cap. So that's useful. Okay. Another one is I saw a lot of sport people wearing this. And the problem with this, it's really not soft, not comfortable. It slides down, leaves a lot of area. So I don't like this one. A couple other things. If you have a ski mask and you wear goggles cover up a big area. And so in conjunction with a ski mask, let's do that. I'll show you. You're pretty well covered if you want to use ski goggles. I don't usually do it, but I'm understanding of people who might want to. Here's a good mask. Okay, and let me put the goggles on. And how do you like that? You cover the whole area here, and the nose you can pull up so you can breathe. And the only area is over here, and you can kind of, depends on your mask, you can pull it up. Or you can use a scarf. Thank you, Karpushka, for making me this scarf. It's wonderful. It's really thick. And how do you like that? So you're pretty well covered like this. So these goggles are good. And another one that I want to show you is like a neck warmer. And this goes up like this. Covers your mouth though, so it might be good with a face mask that covers this area. Well, that's pretty much my demonstration of masks. I just want to point out that the bottom line is any mask is better than no mask. In the extreme weather, wear your goggles over the mask and make sure your face is covered, or wear a double mask. But if you can't find the mask, make one. Make one like the one I showed you. They're really good. And wear a hat on top of it. So I hope you keep warm this winter. I hope this was helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.